Hello viewers, you are watching a special story. The Tobu District Demand Committee has reaffirmed its demand for a separate Tobu district and requested the Aboy District Demand Committee not to include Tobu and Mocha under Aboy District Demand. In a press release, TDDC Secretary Sangti Yongkak stated that the committee's demand for separate Tobu district was for just and effective governance. TDDC said that the demand for Tobu district was a public cry for justice to fill the infrastructural and staffing gaps, to improve the service delivery system, economic upliftment and lasting peace.
On 30th of July, a meeting with regard to Tobu district demand was held at Youth Hall, Tobu headquarters, which was spearheaded by Tobu District Demand Committee. In the meeting, representatives from all the villages under the subdivision were present. Alongside N. Bongkao, who is the advisor department of underdeveloped areas, ex-minister L. Siakpong and ex-MLA Nyakpa also attended the meeting besides the representative from all the civil society organization. In the press release, TDDC Secretary Shangti Konyak stated that the committee's demand for separate Tobu district was for just and effective governance. TDDC claimed that the state government posted I. Elianba Ao as the Deputy Commissioner of Tobu as early as in 1987. The committee also said that in the year 2006, Tobu Subdivision Civil Society Organization made proposal to the state government for upgradation of Tobu ADC headquarters for full-fledged district headquarters. Subsequently, in the year 2007, it said the proposal of the TDDC for two district headquarters under Mon district was the only demand included in the notification issued under Home Department, gap 1 in the list of demands for creation, upgradation and changes in administrative headquarters. TDDC said that the demand for Tobu district was a public cry for justice to fill the infrastructural and staffing gaps to improve the service delivery system, economic upliftment and lasting peace. Further, the committee stated all the relevant documents and profile of Tobu district demand endorsed with signature of village councils and other stakeholders of Tobu and Mocha have been submitted to the state government. Time and again, TDDC expressed optimism that the decade-old aspiration and prayer of Tobu and Mocha would soon be achieved under the leadership of Chief Minister Nefurio. Meanwhile, TDDC has urged the 9 Konyak legislators, Konyak Union Mon, Konyak Students Union, KNSK Mon, Mon District GBS Association, KVCU Mon and all the neighboring brothers to extend support and cooperation towards its demand. In the meeting, the following decisions were taken. First, that the committee reaffirms its decision of demand for Tobu district. Secondly, the committee requests the Aboy District Demand Committee not to include Tobu and Mocha under Aboy District Demand as the people of Tobu and Mocha are demanding separate district which is endorsed by series of public rallies at Angjangyang, Mopong and Tobu since the year 2016. It is said that Tobu was the oldest administrative subdivision in the district established. News Desk, Nagaland TV.
That is all for now. This is Gargi Deka signing off. Keep watching Nagaland TV for more news and updates.